Hello guys, kumusta? We have a brand new episode, brand new unboxing dito sa Toy Friendly Unbox. And for today's episode, Ghost Fighter fans, ito na tayo. Hiei Dark Tournament version or si Vincent Dark Tournament version figure from, of course, Banpresto and Bandai. So ito yung unbox natin ngayon. So before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements and future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And stay tuned for future promos and gimmicks para dito sa ating channel. Para syempre mag-expand tayo. And yun, ito bubuksan natin. Alam ko maraming nag-aantay nito. Maraming Ghost Fighter fans or Yu Yu Hakusho fans out there. So without any further ado, here we go.
Making a sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
So Yu Yu Hakusho fans, ito na tayo. Nakarating na tayo dito sa Hiei Dark Tournament Edition. I'm pretty sure inaantay nyo to ng mga Yu Yu Hakusho fans or Ghost Fighter fans. And yung last time na nag-unbox tayo ng Ghost Fighter, several months ago yata yun, yung pinakahuli, yung Dark Tournament Edition ni Yusuke or ni Eugene. So ito na yung pinakabago niya, pinaka-latest na arrival from Bandai and Banpresto, Bandai Namco rin. Tignan mo natin yung box. Of course, yan, napaka-straightforward. Ito yung itsura niya. Sa inside, ito yung makikita nating figure, yung makikita mo yung tatlo na yung mata ni Hiei or ni Vincent. Yung iba na yung forma niya, di ba? And sa side, yun, yung medyo enlarged photo ni Vincent. And sa back, yung medyo may konting background effects pa tayo dyan. Di ba? Tapos itong Japanese characters dito sa side. And of course, official logo ng Yu Yu Hakusho or the Ghost Fighter. And this is Vincent carrying this black flame sword or black dragon sword ba tawag dyan, hindi ako sure. Sa taas, yung Yu Yu Hakusho na branding niya. Other side, ganun din. Ayan, silhouette naman ni Vincent. Dark Tournament Hiei. Yun. Up, credits sa baba. At ang gagawin natin, bubuksan na natin, of course. Okay guys, so na-open na natin and ito yung, of course, unang-unang tatambad sa atin, unang-unang nakikita nyo is yung naka-sealed plastic nung contents, no? Ng kay Hiei figure natin. And FYI, authentic to guys, ha? Authentic Bandai product to. Itong mga sinashowcase natin ngayon dito sa channel natin. Yan, may mga markings ng authenticity. So, ito, bubuksan natin yan. Tignan muna natin isa-isa. Yan, yung upper body, yung weapon na part, lower, yung torso, and of course, yung base, yung stand. Sealed yan. So, bubuksan natin. Assemble na natin para makita natin yung itsura. Final look ni Vincent o ni Hiei dito sa Dark Tournament version niya. Okay guys, so ito na, na-assemble na natin yan. Running position si Hiei dito o si Vincent. Ang ganda ng paint job nyo. Malinis na malinis. And of course, on model, yung mukha ni Vincent dito o ni Hiei. Very consistent naman lagi kasi yung quality ng Banpresto or Bandai, di ba? So, similar to yung previous Yu Yu Hakusho figures na review natin. Maganda yung color separation and color paint, yung paint job. And of course, ito, tingnan mo yung effect nitong flaming, ano ba to? Dragon sword ba? Tawag dito. I-educate nyo nga ako sa mga comments. Bigyan nyo akong comment kung tama yung, ano ba tawag dito? Flaming sword. Black flame, black dragon flame. Yun, di ako expert eh. Pero, yan. Ganda, no? On model naman yung, ano niya, yung costume niya. Pati yung forearm wrap niya dito, diba? Kung natatandaan nyo dun sa anime, di ba, kaganito talaga yung itsura nyo. Especially dun sa, I believe, second season. So, ayan. Pati yung hair, paint, on point siya. So, ang height nito, pag naka-steady lang is roughly 5 to 6 inches. Kasi nga running position siya. And, dahil same scale naman, correct scale kasi si Vincent isa sa pinakamaliit na character sa Yu Yu Hakusho, di ba? And dun sa group nila, siya yung pinakamaliit talaga. So, yun, consistent naman din yung scale. Makikita nyo, authentic yan, Bandai Spirits, and meron siyang serial. Dito sa inassemble natin to, medyo tricky. The trickiest part here is the shoulder na nagkikarry ng sword. So, you just have to aim the connection properly dun sa allotted slot para dun sa shoulder. Kasi medyo tricky siya. Minsan hindi kaagad na susuot. Pero nung pag nasuot na, matibay na. Pati ito sa base. Yun, galing, Pwedeng pan-diorama talaga, Ganda. So, for Yu Yu Hakusho fans, Ghost Fighter fans, this is a must-have figure for you, and that's a perfect addition to your, of course, yung glass cab nyo, yung collection nyo. Pag fan kayo ng anime, especially with Yu Yu Hakusho or Ghost Fighter, definitely kailangan nyo to. So, meron pa tayong stocks nito, limited edition na lang, limited number ang available. So, please hurry up and place an order through our store, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And there you go. That was our quick unboxing and review of Hiei Dark Tournament Edition from Bandai, Banpresto, Yu Yu Hakusho series of figures, and more to come. Marami pa tayong i-unbox.
Lost in the noise, barely making a sound. Then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light, I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare, no longer locked. With you, I'm flying high, breaking the clocks. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed.
And there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of this Vincent Ghost Fighter Hiei Yu Yu Hakusho Dark Tournament Edition figure. So, ayan, napaka-astig, di ba? Perfect for your Yu Yu Hakusho collection, and it's just roughly 5 to 6 inches lang, and makita nyo, maganda rin tong sword dyan, or may pagka-translucent effect. So, hurry up and get your copy or get your item. Meron pa tayo sa store nito, mga ilan na lang. So, para hindi kayo maubusan, PM nyo na ako, www.facebook.com/toyfriend. As always, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements and future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And yun nga, stay tuned for promos and other events that will happen in the future regarding our channel. And yun, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.
We're chasing dreams hand in hand. Through every storm we'll make us stand. Your smile's my compass.